Are you supposed to be sleeping now?
What?
Are you supposed to be sleeping right now?
Yeah.
But what are you doing?
Painting. That's where we go. That's where we go. Daddy, what are those things for?
What things?
Those. Pattern.
Oh, that's just the outlets.
And what's that for? What's that?
What's that?
Yeah.
That's a big water bottle holder.
That one?
Yeah, it fits inside. To hold all the water bottles.
Whole big water bottles?
Yeah.
Like sissies? But I got a bigger water bottle. But I can't find it anywhere. I can't find my big bottle. I got a really giant bottle. It's giant than you. It's so big that I can touch the top of the ceiling.
Whoa.
It's enormous.
Wow.
But I can't find it anywhere. So,
What do you think happened to it?
there. The router is cracked.
I know. What are you, an engineer or something?
Yes, I'm an engineer at stuff. And like this. You know what I do?
What do you do?
I sew the drain. Baby. No cats can come in our painting room.
No? Why not?
Because they'll go through there. And they'll step in our paint. And they'll leave it all over the track. Outside. And I might not figure it out. It's the drum. The 49, the tom. For paint was on there, but the strip down.
On what?
On my phone.
Really?
Yeah. This box goes here, and this box goes here. You see? Is that good music?
That's a good beat.
Thanks. I got a good beat, and I got a good beat.
So sing me your song.
I got a good way, but you never know. We are a good person, then we never know. When the birthday comes up in the arch, when we know how it feels to be starch.
As it feels to be a starch.
I wonder how good that was.
Well,